Nexis Diligence helps you mitigate operational, financial, legal, and reputational risk as you perform due diligence research on the people or companies with whom you do business. The search process for both a person and a company is very similar, but we'll show you how to do each type of search individually. To begin, at the Nexis Diligence homepage, make sure Person Check is selected. In cases where you might not know the full or correct spelling of the person's name you're searching on, you can toggle Similar Name Matches to On. Then, as you type your entity's name, Nexis Diligence will add up to 50 potential name matches. You can review this list and remove any names you don't want included in your search. For this demonstration, we'll leave this option set to off. To show additional search fields, click More Search Options. These fields let you enter any other search terms you want included or even excluded from your search. In the Include All of These Terms box, type additional information about the person, such as a company name or location. This will ensure your results will include documents that also include this term. Click Add to add the term to the search above. Notice that when we added the extra search keyword, the search query in the box changed. Quotation marks were added around the entity name, which indicates that this phrase must be found in the results, and an AND connector was added, which means the term following the connector must also be included in the document. Click the search icon next to the search box. We see a snapshot of our results, grouped by category. We'll explore how to work with these results in a separate tutorial. Let's take a look at how to complete a company search now. You can click the Diligence product name at any time to return to the home page. On the home page, let's click Company Check. Enter the name of a company in the search box. As we saw with the person search, you could also use the More Search options to fine-tune your search. In this example though, let's search on just the company name. Click the Search button to begin the search. As we learned earlier, when a search is finished, the results appear in categorized lists known as the snapshot page. You can click on a category to start your review of the data. In another training video, we'll explore how to work with your results. Be sure to check out that video as well as our other training videos to show the full power of using Nexis Diligence in your due diligence process.